number 6. Today, I want to talk about a serious topic: stray dogs. Stray dogs. Have you ever seen stray dogs on the street? How do they look? How do they act? Are they friendly? Are they neat? Are they the same as pets that are home? No. They are dirty. They are frightened. They are not being taken care of. In Taiwan, there are more than 60,000 homeless dogs, which has been causing serious problems. They make our street dirty, squeeze our living space, and affect our daily life. Why do we have stray dogs? Well, the main reason is people malicious abandoning. They do not think carefully before buying a pet. The desire to have it is so strong that he or she can easily have it because of a fair price pet shop offer. However, as time goes by, having a pet dog is not as sweet as they expect. Raising a dog is not easy, and it not only costs money, but also takes time. You have to wash the dog, clean up its fur, and take it to the vet for regular injection and so on. The owner realize that they can't avoid it any longer. Malicious abandon occurs. Moreover, stray dogs multiply so fast, and the majority of strays is the offspring of homeless dogs. Dogs need only 3 months to have a baby. If a female stray isn't neutered, she could have almost 30 puppies a year. It will be harder and harder to control the stray dog problem because there will be more and more homeless dogs on the street, and there are not enough families to adopt them. What will happen to those stray dogs? First, they might be caught by dog catchers. After that, if no one adopts them, they will get mercy killed. Second, some stray dogs could be caught and sold to the dog meat market and become a dish on the table. Third, car accident is also a lethal weapon to the stray dog. Oh my goodness! How can we treat the most faithful friend like that? What can we do about it? In my opinion, is to adopt a stray dog instead of buy one from the pet shop if you really want to raise a dog. Think twice before you have it. Helping the stray dog is a way to prevent from having more stray puppies. Don't let human selfishness to harm those innocent animals. Let us do it together. Thank you for listening to my speech and have a nice day.